Hey Eder, I think I'm gonna start running every single day.
Every single day. Nice, good.
For 30 days.
30 days.
What do you think is gonna happen?
Slimmer.
So this is my third day, about to do my third run. I'm thinking a recovery run around 24 minutes. It's a guided run from Nike running app. So far, you know, I woke up very well rested. I slept very well last night, and I attribute that to the run. So I'm pretty sure, because I did nothing differently. My day was just not different at all. I just woke up feeling great. I woke up very well rested. I woke up very energetic. I almost went on a run this morning, but I didn't wake up early enough for a run, so I just headed to work. But so far, what I have learned is that if you have a challenge like this one, you really have to think about your days and your schedule and just time management wise. But I snuck in a run, 15-minute one. It was great. It was about a mile plus. It was a good mile, but today a recovery run, it sounds great, even though yesterday was just a mile. Why run? You know, nobody's chasing me. I'm not chasing anybody. There's no race to train for, at least not in my case. But I started running even though I hated it. In fact, I probably hated the first 90, 100 miles that I logged into my Nike Run app. The reason I did it was for discipline. Nothing disciplines you more than running. So I chose running for self-discipline. Something I never enjoyed, something I was never good at, but something that I can do and keep my ego in check. Something that I can do and just keep getting better at. And like I said, the first 100 miles, they were just not fun. Right now though, on my 9th day of this 30-day running challenge, I want to put in more miles. But I know that I have to pace myself well if I want to get this 30 done. My feet are hurting, my tendons are hurting. Surprisingly, my abs and back is hurting. I'm on like day 19 or 20 out on a nature hike for a recovery. So I'm actually out here working, but I ran my mile in the morning, and I'll be back in the city tomorrow afternoon, so I'll have my next run at night. But thus far, yeah, I'm in pain, but I've been recovering well. I attribute it to just sleeping well, having a great wife, eating well. I have a massage chair, a foam roller, and I like going on little walks with my dog, and I like breathing. Not so much like yoga and stuff like that, but I think I will implement that someday.
Listen, there's a lot of time in a day, but not if you spend it doing stupid shit.
Yeah.
Those things are not beneficial. Most of them are a waste.
Yeah.
Just done with my last run, and yeah, I feel great. Definitely taking a day off tomorrow. You know, life came in the way a couple of times. You know, I just made it happen. Schedule my stuff sometimes before work, sometimes really late, like right now. It's past 10 p.m. right now, and I just put in a mile, a little bit over a mile with my doggy, which is great for her, you know, to have a mile before, you know, she goes night. But yeah, I'm gonna put my total of miles here in the 30 days. It's probably over 30-40 miles. My longest run, probably a 5K. I did a few of those, like 3 or 4 5Ks. And my shortest run was actually out of town. I tried running that a mile up there, but I didn't have the right gear with me for the terrain. The elevation was killing me, so I only ran, you know, that much. But then I hiked the rest, which added up to like a mile. But yeah, that was my 30-day running challenge, and let's just make another video now.
You're building like a mountain one Lego block at a time. So it takes a long ass time to build that mountain, right?
Yeah, I mean, for me, I've been training for this long stuff for 7 years now, so I wasn't like instantly successful at the 100-mile distance, and it's taken a lot of training and a lot of just learning along the way.
Alright, I'm Carlos ADC. I just finished editing this running video. What I learned was time management. I learned that you can love running because I didn't like it before, but now I just can't wait to get out and do more miles. The longest run I've ran after the 30 days when I feel well rested was 10K, so it's 6.2 miles. I actually ran 6.37 miles. And I find it fun, I find it challenging now, and I did lose some weight. I started my weigh-in at 200.8 and went down to 194.8, so I lost 6 pounds. I didn't really change the way that I eat, but I'm gonna start because those 6 miles that I ran recently, they hurt, and my cardio was fine, my lungs were fine, my heart was fine. It was just all the extra weight I'm carrying in my body. My legs just didn't want to do it anymore, so it was pretty painful. So yeah, the next thing in my running journey is gonna be to lose a little bit more weight, maybe get down to a healthier lifestyle eating wise. But yeah, that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I threw in some clips in there that inspired me to run. Before Courtney Walter and Joe Rogan, I didn't run, but one day I just purchased some shoes and I started running. Like I said earlier in the video, I hated running. First 100 miles I did. I'm 150 something right now, and the last 50 I really enjoyed. Thank you for watching.